have the left varicocele, and he presented with heaviness of the left testicles and scrotum and the pain in the left scrotum, and he was on medication for last 2 to 3 years, and day by day इनका जो heaviness और pain है वो बढ़ते गया. So now he has come for the interventional treatment, and today we are going to embolize his left-sided varicocele. And this, you can see there are multiple venous channels are seen. Now I am putting 3x3 Nestor coils for the embolization of left-sided varicocele of the serving officer. Now you can see in the monitor the coil is gradually descending down through the microcatheter to our deserved location. This is my deserved location for coiling of this patient. Yeah, you can see now we have implanted the coil in the deserved location, slightly up the catheter, and now I am pushing. Okay, yes, now I will wait for some time. Now I will take a check shot after the coiling. Yes, now you can see complete cessation of blood. Yes, you can see the coil placed, and it is in the same place. Now we are taking another check shot at the level of the iliac spine, and now you can see one parallel collateral is there in the upper part of the ISV, left spermatic vein. It is coming along with, yes, you can see it is just coming up to the superior to the iliac, anterior superior iliac spine. So I am planning to give another coil here. There is no other collateral flow. ये मैं सेकेंड कोयल डाल रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. And when I will tell you ना, give some pressure without moving your body. Okay? मैं बोलूँगा. अब हम लोग जो मेडिकल ग्लू है, मेडिकल ग्लू डाल रहे हैं. हाँ, प्रेशर डालो. मेडिकल ग्लू डाल रहे हैं इसको ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए, एम्बोलाइज करने के लिए. ओके ओके, प्रेशर डाल के रखो. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर कमिंग बैक. एंटायर सिस्टम वी आर टेकिंग आउट. एंटायर सिस्टम वी आर टेकिंग आउट. Entire system we are taking out. Now we are coming back. Our procedure is complete. And this is the final image after the coiling and embolization. Strength done. Serving officer था डिफेंस फोर्सेस की. इनको लेफ्ट साइड का वेरिकोसिल था, और ये जो वेरिकोसिल है इनका काफ़ी परेशान थे, बहुत दिनों से था, बहुत मेडिसिन भी खा रहे हैं, बट पेन और हेवीनेस इनका बढ़ते गया है. So now when he has presented, we got it that the grade 3 varicocele in the left side, and we subsequently taken the patient for embolization. And now we have embolized successfully, and complete cessation of the flow seen in the left side of the scrotum, and the procedure is complete.